This is how to cast the screen of your PC to your Samsung phone, just as the one you see me showing you right now on the screen. After I have casted the screen of my PC to my Samsung phone, now whatever I am doing on my PC is showing on the screen of my Samsung phone. So if you want to know how to do that, come with me, let me show you. So first, swipe down the control center of your Samsung phone, then select Smart View. Now tap on this 3 dots hamburger icon. Tap on Settings. Tap on About Smart View. Now tap on this Smart View about 3 to 7 times to activate Developers option. Then switch on the Start Second Screen. Now after switching it on, tap on it. Now come down here and select Video Smoother Playback. Then now on your PC, press and hold the window key and the press key, 2 of them at the same time. So here now on your PC, you will see the name of your Samsung smartphone here. Just select it. So that is it. If this is helpful, like and share this video. Drop your comments. Follow me on this page and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, okay?